channel, and today I will show you all the cakes I have. So I have this rainbow cake. Yummy, with cranberries on top. And I have this cake, which is rainbow again, with some cool frosting and more cranberries. This is some galaxy cake, some purple and blue layers. And this is a yummy cupcake with some sprinkles on top and some little accessories. And of course I have my little shop, Elan's food store, with a little burger over here. Ding dong, the door is open. You guys can't see inside it. How about you see it from here? Ooh. So cool, right? Yummy. There's cookies and cupcakes and more cakes and donuts. Some yummy rainbow cakes. Ooh. Cookies and burgers? Wow. More cakes. Hello, my name is Rabbit. Hello, my name is Pamba. I love bamboo. Nom nom nom. Oh, burgers. Oh, donuts. No. Oh, big strawberry cupcake. A sandwich. Nom 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 nom. And a dumpling. Ooh, it looks so good. And look, 2 boxes of pizza. They should be in a pizza bakery instead of a food store. And some fruit cake, strawberries on top. Well, look at that. That looks like an amazing one. Unicorn cake. It's very legendary. Hello, my name is Unicorn Cake. Don't eat me. I am a magical unicorn. Yay. Unicorn cake. No. Ooh, look at that horn. Looks like a bamboo. Should I eat it? No, I can't. I just have to. No. Haha, we ate it. I know, right? It's so yummy. But I prefer my carrot more. And my bamboo more. That is so good. I watched on another video. They have like a big layer of strawberry thing. I don't know. So just put it in the middle like a little egg. Yay. Who loves eggs? Alright, I do because but I don't really eat a lot. And next of all, you want to make it moldy. So like already ready to go. And now you're going to fold it on the way top. Yeah, there we go. And the other side. And if there's a little broken spot, it's fine because guess what? You still have these sides. So you're gonna smooth it, and I'm gonna use my snowman butter looking stuff. Looks like a butter. More smoothing butter. Don't eat this, guys. This is not butter. But I mean, this is kind of butter tool, I guess, because that's what the juice is. But you know, me, I use it for making cakes and stuff. Once you're done smoozing, you can decorate it with. Done. I cut a piece of cake for you. See you next time. Yummy.